Hey folks, my name is Lisa Hendrickson and I'm a Microsoft Outlook expert, and I work online and people hire me all the time to fix their Outlook problems. One of the problems they call me for is to fix their Outlook PST file. Many times a PST file can get corrupted because it's got over the 50 gig limit. That's the biggest reason for the most part. Or it's living in OneDrive, and OneDrive is a file synchronizing program and it can get corrupted that way as well. So many years ago, when I was out searching for a product, I came across Stellar's PST recovery product, and I really liked using it. It was easy to work with, so I've been using it for about 10 years now, and that's why I'm going to do a little review for you all today. Basically, when people call me and want me to repair it, I'm remoted in, like I said. I always make a backup of all their PST files just in case, and if I have to do a manual backup or just a copy or whatever. And then I showed them the Stellar's website, and I say you can either buy it or you can just download the free version. Sometimes downloading the free version is great because you can actually see the files to make sure they're there before you purchase it. So I always kind of do recommend that. Sometimes the clients are like, let's just buy it anyway, and that's fine too. But either way, you have that choice. Now, a PST repair with Stellar's product is very fast depending on your computer. If you have a fast computer, which most people do nowadays, it doesn't take as long if the files are smaller. If you have a 50 gig PST, it's going to take a while, okay? That's a really big file to repair. So it can take a couple hours sometimes to do the first scan, and then sometimes it might go longer, just depending on the problems that the PST file has. Then after you get the scan done, you can actually take a look and see if the files are there, and then you can purchase it, put in the activation, and sometimes you have to rerun the program, just all depends, but sometimes you don't either. And if you ever need support, Stellar's support team is really great. I've worked with them many times in the past. They're very fast. They have a chat option on the website now, and if you need to, they can remote in help as well. I'm a big fan of using all their software, just not the PST repair and recovery product. I also use the OST to PST converter, and I also use the Windows Data product. The reason that you might need that one is because Outlook has an OST file that you might have to recover if you delete that by accident. So all three of those products are my favorites with Stellar. And with that said, it's always my first choice when I work with clients. I found that the product is the most reliable. I don't need to run it twice, and I don't need to contact their support very often. Hope that helps you decide on what product to use.